In this video, you will learn how to show and hide grid lines in Microsoft Excel. Currently, you can see here I have shown the grid lines in this sheet, while in other sheet I have hide these grid lines. So let's start this tutorial without any further delay. If this video is helpful for you, then please like this video and subscribe our channel for more informative videos. Firstly, you will learn how to show these grid lines. Currently, you can see here I have opened a worksheet and the grid lines are not appeared here. To show the grid lines, firstly we go to View tab, click on it, and in Show you will find the option of grid lines. Click on this option and you can see here the option is checked and grid lines appeared here. Now you will learn how to hide these grid lines. To hide these grid lines, go to View tab, click on it, and in View tab you will find the option of grid lines. Click on this and this option will be unchecked and the grid lines will be removed. That's the end of this video. Thanks for watching this video. Goodbye.